Now we are on question 6. In this question, it is asking us to write a program that prints the value according to the given formula. Okay, so we need the square root, so that means we need to import the maths module. The values of C and H are fixed. D is a variable whose value should be input from program comma separated sequence. 100. Okay, what are the hints? The output is received in decimal form, then it should be rounded off to the nearest value. Okay, so that means we need to use two maths function. One is a square root and one is a rounding function. So let's start it step by step. Let's import math. Okay. And then we say we need user input. So D is equal to let's just print D and see what happens. Okay, so we can't convert again, so we need to read. Okay, so we need to split this. Input. Okay, this should work, right? Dot split, and we say less work. And 25. Okay, so Python list of strings to int. So we can use a list comprehension over here and say int of I, right? And say int for I. And now if we do let me clear the terminal. 125 is 125. Okay, so we have D printed. Okay, it's just for me to check what happens if there is one number. Okay, it works. So D is there. Now the second thing that we need is the function. So the function is quite easy. For, let's say, I in D, and we say well, let's just put C over here. C is equal to 50. H is equal to 13. Then we need the output of the program. For now, let's just print this. Print, what do you say, mass dot, we had the square root function, two into C into D, sorry, into I divided by H. Okay, so let's see how this works. 100, 150 and 180. Okay, so we need this to be rounded off. Let's say R, and then we can just say what is the function over here. Okay, I think Google is the best thing to do. Python roundup. Okay, so you can just return around. And now we print it. $18, $22, $24. Okay. Okay, how do we append to a list? Python append list. Okay, so we say result dot append round of r. So this becomes a list. So we say print okay, how do we convert list to string? Now list to string Python is again using the join method right here. So we say let's join result, and now let me just clear this. Hundred, 150, 180. Oh yeah, this is, so I need to use the map function to convert this to a list map. 100, 150, 180, and yep, that is correct. So with this we have solved question number 6.